Today, this phonics class, we will learn the phonics sounds of letter U to Z. Means U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So let's start with letter U. U makes the sounds like means umbrella, uniform. Next letter is V. V makes the sounds like V. So verse, violin. Next letter is W. W makes the sounds like V. Okay. So water, walnut. Next letter is X. X makes the sounds like X. So xylophone, Christmas. Next letter is Y. Y makes the sounds like yellow, yogurt. And the last letter is Z. Z makes the sounds like Z. So zebra, zoo. Okay. So once again, the phonic sounds from U to Z. U sound is Next V sound is W. W sound is W. And X sound is X. Y sound is Y. And Z sound is Z. Okay, now practice it.